A failure contingency septic system plan for a tiny house is essential to prevent health hazards and manage waste safely when small systems fail. Tiny house septic systems require proactive planning because they have limited capacity and quicker failure modes than standard systems. First, maintain a current contact list with local pump-out services and confirm their ability to service small holding tanks on short notice. Second, keep a portable holding tank or a portable toilet ready and stored so it can be deployed within hours. Choose a model with a secure vent and an easy pump-out fitting. Third, learn local emergency permit pathways and who to call at the local health department so you can legally deposit waste or install temporary fixtures if needed. Take a photo of your site layout and system components to speed communications. Fourth, during any repair or pump-out, limit water use by turning off non-essential fixtures, using rapid hand washing methods with a basin, and shifting dishwashing to a single bucket system to reduce inflow. Finally, maintain a small kit with absorbent materials, heavy-duty disposable gloves, EPA-registered disinfectants, and clear plastic sheeting to contain spills and sanitize surfaces immediately. The three most common issues are overflow from exceeding tank capacity, slow drain or backup from system clogging, and lack of rapid access to professional services. If the tank overflows, immediately stop water inputs, deploy your portable holding tank or portable toilet, and call the pump-out service while cordoning off the contaminated area. For slow drains or backups, avoid chemical additives that can harm septic biology. Instead, reduce water use, use a manual snake designed for small systems, and arrange a professional inspection to clear roots or solids. When there is no quick access to professionals because of remote location, activate local emergency permit pathways, use your portable containment solution, and post a clear message on local community boards or our online discussion community to request assistance or equipment loans. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and post their emergency needs so responses are faster. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we share local tips, emergency contacts, and real-world experiences.